Hello, mayambu. Your valuable knowledge that taram no chari ngasi ni mayam da haise ge ritor base akhoi na PC ama speed up kamai na tawgani habigi matang da ni sumlat na points mapan aina haise gani masi ki points sing je tawraga di akhoi gi PC slow tawbat ayamba oiroi ahan bada akhoi na install only necessary software and they uninstall all the unnecessary software haina ko si ani se tawbiba akoina darkar eba software do khatang install tawbiba trial version kaigumba feature ma check tawna bi nakta install tawga so uninstall tawba kaupida ba aduga akoina chahi ma mang da season giba software do hoji hoji darkar oi targati ma du so uninstall tawtiba uninstall ka main tawgani habadu atopa video daina haijegani English version that they already upload already Manipuri version da muka haijarake aduga add second thing the add more RAM has standard RAM size say 8 new brand laptop level matam the 8 RAM size lai adubu ai gi thabaki matung ina darkar oiba RAM size add to biba spending around listing amani expand to oga ko aduga ahum so the reduce startup program se am darkar oi akoina computer ma startup to matam da background the program ma startup to I do computer startup matam am changba aduga startup tawraga dum running mode leiba now aina software ma seasoning matam da so dum slow down ohelle masi su aina to subsequent video da lakchage mari subada clean temp files ko akoina temporary files se yamna maru e clean da wa any software main season ba khudimak se C drive da temp file aina amalai madugi manung da loina create tawraga lei madu remove tawba am darkar oi masi so in the video amada haijarake remove file from the desktop ka akoina desktop se yama matam da files the desktop da loin thamgalle yam thuna tawna bo hona bana ni khangde matam matam na tungina do star so darkar oi da matam da delete tawthoki ba save delete tawraga darkar oi na topa folder the save tawraga reorganize tawbiba masi yam darkar oi aduna remove files from the desktop ka main tawdana tawbigani mathang tabada taruk subada clean browser history kuina browsing tawringai matamda sizinnagiba port mayam word mayam urls mayam se browser history da lei adu clean tawba darkar oi masi so in subsequent video da haijarake delete all the files from download ka download tawgiba file khujimak se by default C drive da leigale adugi pot su delete tawba natraga drive to change tawbiba Number 8 scan for malware virus and spareware akoina internet surf tawni khangde natraga pen drive ma sizinabadagi ni khangde phone ni ki transfer tawni khangde virus se heta lakale na virus se malware ma virus ko se regular basis scan tawbiba madugi damakte antivirus mayam ama available oire market te lei madu trial version sizinaba yai natraga license versus tawraga scan tawraga delete tawthokpiba ko affected oiba program natraga file sing do sum tawdana last aina haijagadori basna 9 points na akoina disk se clean up tawba aduga defragmentation se yam darkar oi akoina sum store tawsal pa matam da disk se inside the frame format ta loina store tawe madugi photo defragment tawraga di macai chairaga thalai bodo mapam da son condense tawra fajan thamgani adu haitaba mi gi damakta de recommend tawra sidi last option da in thami se yari ma kai tawdana bagi damakta ni thank you very much I hope this video found you very useful mayamna kana ganin kanjai matung ta video gi damakta I mean see thank you